Hello viewers, welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. What are we going to do today? We're going to do banana trifle. It's more like a banana bread, but we're going to make it into a trifle with a different method of doing it, so that we can achieve a different outcome, but same taste, same quality, same product. So what do we need for our banana trifle? It's more like a banana loaf recipe, banana bread recipe. So obviously we need our flour, we need our sugar, baking powder, bicarbonate, cinnamon, oil, vanilla essence, milk, and eggs. And your bananas, they are peeled already. So what do? You mix all the dry ingredients together except the sugar. There we go. Then on the stove we have our melting sugar and butter. They are melting already. That's the secret, and that's the difference with the traditional banana loaf recipe. So watch how we do it. So in this bowl you put your oil, your eggs. So these you beat together first. It's something same like a banana loaf, banana bread recipe, but with a different touch. And in this recipe you don't need to beat your bananas with this, but in a traditional banana bread recipe you need to beat your bananas together with the sugar, oil, and eggs. So you beat this. Until your sugar is dissolved and your egg oil is fluffy. So you just need to beat it until fluffy. Fluffy, then that's when you add your dry ingredients, the powder, the sugar, the flour, baking powder, bicarbonate, and cinnamon. So we just do this so that we don't have your milk as you mix. Have to check my syrup. Yes, it's coming out fantastic. So I have to lower the essence. Always it must come last so that it don't the essence don't go away into So, this is where the trick is. What do we do next? We have our baking tray. Then you lay your bananas. You cut your bananas. Then you lay them in the tray, your baking tray. So you lay them generously in your it's a very nice and simple recipe. Oh, what you do. So after this, then you take, that's when you take your syrup. So it's just sugar and butter. Then you pour it over. Over your bananas. Then you just make sure it's flowing nicely in all the corners of your tray. So what I do is just make sure that this syrup is going all over. It's spreading generously. So there we go. So then you take your mix, then you pour it over. There we go. Then this trifle must bake 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. It will be ready. It must be ready. But the secret, your oven, always oven, they differ, so you have to be careful with your oven. So my 30 minutes, maybe it can be 25 minutes in your oven, but I promise you this trifle banana bread is a thing to try. So it's ready now for baking. When our oven is ready, we'll just bake it. Then I will show you in the next episode a baked banana trifle cake, how it look. Then I will definitely tell you how it tastes. your resident chef signing out. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and constructive criticism is still welcome. So see you in the next episode. Maita basi tinotenda siyabonga magwira ntchito siyatokoza and CSU Chinese obvious. President Chef signing up. Cheers.